Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Valerie Dison and today I am doing my STITCHFIX unboxing. And yeah, it is July 2019 and I do these, I started trying to do them twice a month, maybe every 2 to 3 weeks, depending on how fast it comes and how fast I can send them back and how long it takes to style me, pretty much. But yeah, so if you like STITCHFIX unboxings, then just hit that little subscribe button below. I do these, like I said, every I try to do them twice a month. So yeah, I have a whole playlist. I will link that in the description box below if you're interested in the stuff I might have received in the past fixes. This is my 19th fix, so I'm so happy to unbox it with you. And yeah, I like to do these outside, that way you can see my cats in the background or whatever might come up in the video. So we've had a little stray cat come in our fenced in backyard. Oh, well, there she went. Her name is Miko, like the little raccoon off of Pocahontas. It's not really our cat. I just don't have really time to go take her to the shelter because I am going to be working like 6 days next week, and my schedule pretty much is the same as when they are open. So yeah, we might have her for the next 3 weeks. Oh well, I'm gonna feed and water her until I have time to take her to the shelter. We do have a nice home for her. I didn't want another cat because I just got a cat like a month ago and I don't know where he's at right now, but he was inside for almost a month now, and I feel like he's gotten a little bit bigger and stronger than when we first got him. He's over there by the grill. Hold on. There he is. And his name is Liam. That's my daughter's cat. We got him on her 9th birthday this year. So yeah. Okay, anyways, this is an unboxing. I have not peeked at all, not online, not in the box. I just cut it right before, you know, cutting this camera on. So if you don't know what STITCHFIX is, it's a subscription that you pay $20 to ship to you, I believe. I really don't even remember, to be honest. Like I said, this is my 19th fix. I love them. I don't really care. But yeah, so anything you pick out of this box, that stylist fee will go to one of the items in your box if you choose to keep any or all of them. They send you 5 different items. You pick what you want to keep. They give you like a little thing, a mailer thing, like to send back. If you don't like anything out of this box, you just put it back in this little bag, seal it up. It's got like a prepaid little sticker on it, and you just put it in your mailbox, put the flag up, and they'll send it back to STITCHFIX, and you can you won't get charged for those items. And they also give you a styling card from your stylist, and it says all the pieces that they picked out for you, and the note will tell you what they picked out for you and why they picked it out for you. And it also has like a stylist card. I don't like to look at this before I know what's in the box because I like to be surprised a little bit. But yeah, it shows you like how to style each piece that they send you, and yeah, it's really nice. And they also give you your invoice, I guess you would call it, your little what the pieces are called and how much they are, and your discounts and referral fee credits or whatever. It tells you everything in this. And here comes the bundle. Oh, so I got 2 little bundles. This is the first bundle. I see what seems to be like 3 bottoms, maybe black, and a jean top, light wash, and a pinkish reddish looking color. And oh, so we got a purse. I can already tell what it is. So let's just start with the purse. I like this purse. I think I picked this out somehow or another, maybe on the style card from last time, or maybe when you look in there, they'll have like a stylist quiz or whatever. Like you can renew it or redo it every fix. You can just basically, they show a bunch of pictures and you click thumbs up or thumbs down. I might have thumbs up a picture like this, but let's see. I'll put what it's called on the screen right here, because these a lot of these brands that they send in Stitch Fix is really hard to pronounce, and I don't want to butcher it. But this is a very cute mustard purse, and fall is around the corner, unfortunately, but it's coming, and this would be cute for it. Love the inside details, and there is the brand and stuff. It's got a little pocket here, a little pocket there, a little zipper there. And it snaps. Oh, and it's got like that zipper part here. I used to have a Stitch Fix purse that was similar to this. This was a little smaller than my last one, but I like that because I've been carrying a clutch. So this is a great like step up, I guess. So I'm gonna have to start carrying a purse again, and that kind of scares me because I've not carried a purse in a while. And here's my second bundle. Okay, one of them is a top, I think. Oh, I didn't see this on the side, but this appears to be very cute. Okay, so it is, you'll see it better on the try on. I think it's like an off the shoulder thing, because look, they have this on this side but not on this side, so that it looks like it's going to be really cute, but I can't really show you while I'm, you know, right here, but I will have a try on in a second. Oh, it's another top. Okay. Ooh, it's a black top. I like black tops, and it's a v-neck. I'm pretty sure this will work. Like it, like it, like it, like it. So far, so good. Ooh, love these. So I love distressed like shorts or jeans and stuff like that. So they got the little distressed right through here, and they got little snags right through here. And level 99. This is what they look like in the back. And here is like the little frayed hem, and on the side, like that. Very promising so far. And then some light wash shorts that's very distressed. Really like it, really love it. Not everybody's into the distressed things, but I am. So Studio Blue is the brand. This looks very promising. I can't wait to try these on. So I'm gonna go and try on 2 of the pieces and come back with you. Right, maybe this angle is good enough. So I got 3 of the pieces on right now. This is the shirt. Let's go with that first. It does show my bra, which I'm not too fond of, and I don't want to wear like a strapless bra for just this shirt. But other than that, I think it fits pretty good. It doesn't, like, since it's like a darker color, it doesn't appear to show the curves, lumps as much as some do. Like, I think it looks pretty good. Like, I'm really happy with it. Like, I think I like that it shows a little bit of a curve right through here, because I do like that shape to appear on me. Sometimes when I wear like, when I wear loose fitted tops, like I do that so this will fit. So I have a problem with, you know, showing that little bit of a curve I do have, because my bust is so big and I do have a bigger midsection. But this is what the shirt looks like. I like it. I really do. Here's the purse. It is very cute. Really love it. Definitely appropriate for the rest of the summer and for fall coming up. I do like the shorts. They are very comfortable. And I think they fit really dang good. Like, I think they're a go. Like, I really like. So far, I like all the pieces. I'm really happy with it. So, I guess I'll try on the last 2 items and I gotta make a decision then. Here is my last 2 pieces. I love this black shirt, especially how it fits right here. Like, it just lays down very nicely. I think I need to size down 1 size and it would be absolutely perfect because I like the length of it. And I like that it kind of would show a little bit of, you know, the curves in the best way possible. If it was just 1 size smaller, I definitely can go 1 size smaller because of the armhole room and how it's really loose. Like, it's really loose, so I'm pretty sure it will look great 1 size smaller. But the shorts fit perfect. I'm really happy about the shorts. And this is the little turnaround before I go. But yeah, I like it so far. Really, really nice. Yeah, I think I already know what I'm gonna do, but yeah, let's see. I think I'm going to ask for a size down in this top, and then I'll buy all 5 items because I really, really like this fix. So thank you so much. Yeah, I gotta read the note, so I'll be right back. So this is my style card. As I said before, you get a little note from your stylist, and you also get a picture of all the pieces in the fix along with how you could style them. So it can either give you a reference on how they saw how to style it, or it can inspire you to style it yourself with what you like. But yeah, so it says, "Hey Valerie, sorry it wasn't a keep 5 last time. I know you wanted 1 top this time, but I grabbed 2 because I thought you'd like them. We have the black top that's somewhat similar to the top on the style card. Try it with the denim shorts, sandals, and the cute yellow bag. Try the purple top with the shorts for another great look. And we have the red shorts that you can wear with the black top. Try the black shirt tucked into your white skirt for a nice look. Hope you enjoy. Best, Bryn." So I did ask for 4-ish or 3, at least 3 bottoms, but I'm cool with what I got. Like, I am cool with it. She knew I probably would be, so I am. Thank you, Bryn. Bryn has styled me maybe not every single one of my fixes, but almost all of them. Excuse me? Excuse you. Excuse you. I am trying to record. Thank you. Thank you. Liam's got a little attitude. It's his first day outside. He was supposed to be an outside cat. He's going to be an outside cat. And I got a white skirt on one of my previous fixes, and I asked for her to send me more pieces that would look great with that white skirt, because like, I liked it, but I'm not a skirt person, so I don't know how to wear it really with other things. Like, I just feel kind of awkward in it. I don't wear it that much. I've wore it like a couple times just to make sure I wear it, but it's not my favorite piece in my closet, but it is cute and I do like it. I just, you know, it's not my go-to. It's kind of like a I need to make myself kind of wear it deal. I don't know. It's just not that comfortable because it's a skirt and I gotta worry about, you know, being all proper and stuff, I guess. I don't know. But this is the style card, and there's the purse that it, you know, was in my fix. Here is the black top that was in my fix. And I'm trying to see if I like any of these items on there with it, but no, I don't. or at least not for this time of year, because I do like some of the pieces, but not for my next fix, if that makes any sense. Here is that burgundy. I would call it burgundy more than purple, but there's that burgundy top, and I don't see any pieces that stick out for me for the next fix. Here is those red shorts that are almost like pink shorts or coral looking shorts. Be quiet. Shh. I do like this top and would not mind receiving that top on my next fix. Bryn watches my videos because I link my video, this video for my next fix, so she can watch this video and go buy it for my next fix. And that's something you can do too if you do Stitch Fix. I also like these sandals right there, so I wouldn't mind that in my next fix either. They do shoes, like sandals and booties and little things like that in Stitch Fix too. I really love this top. You can barely see it because it's white, but if you can see how the shoulders and sleeves are, that is really cute. And I do like those little blue sandals too. So if you can find any of those for my next fix, Bryn, I would appreciate it. And it's super cute. So I am going to so I'm going to email them, see if they can find me this in a size large, because I'm pretty sure this is extra large. Oh, we forgot to go over the invoice. I don't think it says anything that you could potentially steal information from on this, but I'm going to fold this down right quick. And so it says that this is my 19th fix, and it says thanks for letting us style your 19th fix, and it tells you what each item you got in the fix. Then it says the sizes and the cost. So I'll show you up close, but the mustard bag is $48. This black top is an extra large and it's $58. The red shorts is a size 14, $68. The dark purple extra large shirt, which is a burgundy looking shirt to me, is $34. That one's the cheapest in this fix. And then the indigo, okay, so the light washed indigo shorts, distressed shorts in size 14 is $38. The most expensive thing out of this fix is the red shorts, which I love, and the least expensive is the purple or the burgundy looking top, which is $34. The STITCHFIX subtotal is $246. Buy all 5 discount of 25%. That takes off, if I buy all 5 items, it will take off $61.50, and the order subtotal will be $184.50, and the styling fee will be subtracted. The $20 stylist fee will be subtracted, and the total order will be $164.50. So I think that's what I will do, is buy all 5 items, as long as they have this in a large. I will buy all 5. If they don't have this in a large, I normally will pick one out of all of it, and I don't know which one I would pick yet. But if you have any suggestions, which one of these, the way it came, is your favorite on me from this fix, leave me those comments down below. And also, what do you think would look best on you in the comments below? So what I looked best in out of this fix, and what you think you would love out of this fix in the comments below. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you buddies next time.